Hi, I'm Becca and you've landed on Paracord Planet. In this video, we're going to swing from the chandelier, or rather, we're going to make some out of paracord. It all started when our friends at Unglued Summer Camp asked us to help make some outdoor decorations for their event. So what the heck even is Unglued Summer Camp? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. An adult summer camp where you get to spend the whole weekend crafting and basically just learning how to make and do cool things. Together, we came up with the idea to make a couple of paracord chandeliers and hang them up in the trees around the mess hall area. Now let's take a look at our supplies. We are going to be making 2 chandeliers with 12-inch and 6-inch macrame hoops. We're also going to use about 1,000 feet of 550 paracord total, and the colors we chose were inspired by what we saw on Unglued's website. Here we have about 250 feet of lilac and goldenrod, still on the spool. For rose pink, we grabbed 2 100-foot bags and 1 50-foot bag from our inventory. This is what the packaging actually looks like when it comes in the mail. Last but not least, we grabbed about 250 feet of Paraglow so campers can enjoy the chandeliers even at night. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to cut a bunch of 3-foot strands of each color. Then, we're going to attach them to the hoops using cow hitch knots. To do so, simply grab a strand of paracord, fold it in half, and place the fold on top of the hoop. Then, pass the running ends through that fold and pull tight to hold the cord in place. For this next one, instead of placing the fold on top of the hoop, we're going to go behind and follow the same process. Then, for the next one, we'll place it on top again, and so on, to create an alternating pattern. This will allow us to fit more cow hitches onto the hoop and just look better in general. Now, let's keep going. Now that we've got it covered all the way around, let's move on to the 6-inch hoop before stringing them together. Since these chandelier decorations are going to live outside, we want to make sure that they stay looking nice even in extreme heat or humidity. So, to prevent the ends from looking scraggly, we're pulling out a couple of inches of the inner strands and trimming them with a scissors. Then, we'll use our lighter to melt the ends of the outer sheaths, and this will keep them looking nice and neat no matter what Mother Nature has in store. We're gonna go finish making our chandeliers off camera, but we'll be right back for the big reveal. Alright, so we just finished the install using leftover paracord and overhand knots. And here's what they look like hanging from the trees at camp. We also decided to add glitter Rexlace at the last minute to make the chandeliers sparkle in the sun. As always, feel free to use the comments to ask questions and let us know what you think of this project. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more paracord related content. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.